Good morning, my students. In the previous video, we had discussed about the filtration that occur with the help of the nephron, the functional and structural unit of the kidney. Now, generally, the filtration, it is occurred with the help of the kidney. There are many other organs are also there in our body that can also perform the excretion. For example, the skin is there that removes some sort of the solids. क्षार शरीराच्या बाहेर घामाबरोबर टाकले जातात. So the skin is also one of the organ for the excretion in our body. You know that the carbon dioxide is removed outside of our body. These are the various excretory organs, various excretory products that are removed periodically from our body. Sometimes because of injury or accident or by any disease, the normal functioning of our kidney, it is disturbed. And if the normal functioning or the filtration of the kidney is not done properly, then this nitrogenous waste, that is the urea, that may accumulate in the different part of our body, and it may damage to the various organ, or it may also damage to the kidney and death may occur. Sometimes it is lethal. So to prevent this, the dialysis of the blood or dialysis of the urine, it is done with the help of the machine that is called as the dialysis machine, or it is also called as a hemodialyzer. Why it is called hemodialyzer? Hem means what? Blood. He means blood, and the dialysis or the filtration of that blood, it takes place or it is done with the artificially with the help of the machine that is called as a dialysis machine. Now, how the dialysis is done? Now we will see here. Here you can see one of the hand. Okay. Now how this dialysis machine it works? Natural process. In a natural process, how the kidney perform filtration? Only the in the Bowman's capsule, the selectively permeable membrane is there, and through that selectively permeable membrane, the nitrogenous waste along with the water and dissolved solid, it is filtrated. The same principle is used here. Now look at here how it is done. Here it is a hand, you can see easily. Okay, and here it is one of the artery. It is one of the artery. From the artery of blood, it is transferred to this dialysis machine. Look at here, friends. Through the artery, one of the artery in our body, the blood is transferred into the dialysis machine. Here there is present one blood pump, so that the blood it can regularly push and pass towards the dialysis machine. Here there is one monitor is also fitted, a arterial pressure monitor. What would be the function? To check the blood pressure. You know the blood pressure. I think I had already told you about the blood pressure. Systolic and diastolic is there. So there is one air pressure monitor is there, and this blood via this tube, it is passing through this dialysis machine in this way. And after the blood is passing, or whenever the blood is passing through the dialysis machine, the membrane of this tube, it is selectively permeable, like to that of the Bowman's capsule, inner membrane of the Bowman's capsule, which is selectively permeable. In that similar way, here it is also selectively permeable. And this through this dialysis, in this dialysis machine, the one of the chamber is there through which the compressed air is passed through this fresh dialyzate. It is one of the liquid, and at the same time it is passed through this dialysis machine. And as the nitrogenous waste, it is absorbed in this dialysate, the remaining the used dialysate through this one of the outlet, it is again collected in this another tube, and now the blood which is filtered here, then it is again passed via tube into the human body with the via veins. Here it is a vein. So in this way the dialysis is done. We had studied the structure of the kidney. In that also there is one renal artery and renal vein is there, through which the blood it enters inside the kidney and it is passed, or filtrated blood it is passed at a single time. 500 ml of a blood it is filtrated with the help of this hemodialyzer, and because of the kidney dialysis the person can live its life. Okay, so here ends our exhalation. In the next video we will see the next life process, that is coordination. Thank you.